When it comes down to it, it's all about working smarter, not harder. There's no way to realistically grow and scale your business without implementing systems and processes. Your business is growing, you have a steady influx of clients or customers. Things are going really well from the outside, but inside you feel like a mess. You're not sure which projects take priority, what things need to be responded to, or what you need to be posting or doing on any given day. When it comes down to it, things are just getting lost. And basically, you need to learn how to organize your business and how to organize it fast. So if you're ready to see how we get our clients' business organized here at Dasilva Life, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and keep on watching. Okay, so let's go through our process. First, we start with an audit. What does that look like? Well, we dive into the back end of your business and see what workflows and processes you already have going on. Whether they're organized or a total mess, we take a look at them and break them down step by step. Next, we dive into what systems you are or aren't using. Is everything on pen and paper? Are things all spread throughout Google Docs, Google Sheets, a bunch of different softwares? Do you have a project management tool? Maybe you're utilizing a CRM, but you're not using them to your max capacity. This is where we really dive into your systems and see how you're using it, and then audit it to see what you could potentially be doing much better. After we go in and audit your systems, processes, workflows, we then get to the heart of your business. What are your biggest pain points? What are the things that are keeping you up at night that you don't know how to tackle? The things that you're spending countless hours every day trying to manage aspects of your projects that you know you could be doing better, but you just don't know how. I want to ask you a question. If you onboard a new team member and they get into the back end of your business, are they going to know exactly what they need to do, step-by-step instructions, or are they going to feel totally lost? This is a really great way to ask yourself, are the systems and processes and the way I do things in my business in a system and a workflow and a process, or are they all living in my brain? Something that's such a crucial question to ask yourself is, when you have something you have to do, when you have a document or a file, do you know where to put it? Do you ever ask yourself, where do I put this? That can be an indication that there's either too much clutter or not enough organization and spaces to put those tasks and files to really organize and streamline your business. While we're going through this process, it might seem like a really big thing in your head, but there might be really simple and quick fixes to automate and organize the digital clutter that you have in your business. And here's the big question. After going through your systems and processes and seeing the way you run your business and the different services or products that you offer, after this process, we're then able to pinpoint the 1 or 2 systems you need to utilize in your business. You'll then be able to be so much more efficient. You and your team will know exactly the tasks you need to do, have clear communication, and be able to grow and scale your business with less time and effort. Okay, so after we map out all of these workflows and we do this intensive system audit and decide what is the right system for you, that's when our business actually goes in and sets up these systems for you. So what exactly are those systems? Well, the 2 systems that we specialize in and believe most businesses truly need are a good CRM and a solid project management tool. Let's start by breaking down a CRM. Our favorite is HoneyBook. Why? Because it's so user-friendly. The layout is so beautiful and it has everything that we need to automate as much as possible when it comes to our onboarding process. So what is a CRM? A CRM is a customer relationship management tool. If you want a full breakdown of a CRM versus project management tool, make sure that you subscribe to our channel because these are videos that are going to be coming down the pipeline. But let's just break it down real quick. What is a CRM crucial for in business? Well, it's really going to make sure that your client onboarding process is smooth like butter. From the moment that lead lands in your inbox or your DMs, to the second that proposal is signed and you're ready to take them through your entire onboarding process, a CRM is able to automate so much of these processes so that you're not letting leads slip through the cracks. You seriously increase your client experience. You give every piece of information to your future client that they need, and you totally get to impress your new client before you even begin your working relationship together. Okay, so now you're landing more leads, having more time on your hands, and making sure that nothing is slipping through the cracks on your onboarding process. Now, how do you manage your projects? This is where your project management tool steps in. Our favorite is ClickUp because it has so many variety of views. Again, this is going to be another video coming down the pipeline all about ClickUp, all of the features. Also, we'll have so many tutorials coming in future videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any of those. So the beauty of ClickUp is not only all the different ways that you can see your project and lay out the information that you need, but also the fact that you can template literally anything within your business so you don't have to recreate the wheel every time. Not only can you utilize templates within ClickUp, but they also have their own automation system to make sure everyone's getting the information they need when they need it. We have worked with so many businesses to set up their workflows in templates within ClickUp that we actually have created so many templates that we sell in our shop that are included in our membership as well. These templates not only show you how to manage your business in different ways, but also show you the power of ClickUp and how many different things you can do with it. From managing your projects, to communicating with your team, to sending emails within ClickUp, you're never going to miss a beat. You can truly do so much that if you set up your ClickUp efficiently, you're able to open your computer in the beginning of the day and have your to-do list waiting for you. It's actually magical. One of our recent clients told us that she is loving the fact that since having ClickUp implemented in their business, that she's able to successfully step into the CEO role and get out of the nitty-gritty tasks within her business because she's able to efficiently delegate them to other team members. I know that you have probably dealt with this thought before because I know we all have, that you have tasks in your business that you know you do not have to be doing, but you don't know how to effectively pass them off. That's where Dasilva Life steps in and shows you how you can do that with systems and processes. By going through our signature method to creating systems and processes in your business, our goal is that you have a process for every single task. Whether it's checking emails in the morning, creating content, or managing large-scale projects within your business, we know the power of systems and automation and how it's going to affect you and your team as you grow and scale your business. If you have efficient systems and processes, this is what it's going to do for you. You're never going to have the thought, okay, what now? Because everything that you need to do is going to be waiting for you inside your systems. So that's a breakdown of our signature process, how we manage our projects, the type of questions that we ask. I hope that was helpful to you. And if you want to get a breakdown of these systems step by step, looks inside, make sure you like and subscribe, and more will be coming up next.